Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Adventurefuls Girl Scout cookie shake. So I'm starting with our Dulce. I'm doing 2 scoops. And I'm going to do 2 scoops of our chocolate protein drink mix. I'm going to add some caramel pudding, 2 chocolate chips, and then I'm going to break up half a cookie into it. And then blend. So to decorate the cup, I'm using some cookies and cream, sugar-free syrup. And then some caramel sugar-free syrup. I'm going to put a little bit of cookies at the bottom. And then pour in the shake. Top with some whipped cream. And then a cookie. Now to cut down the calories, you can do 1/4 of the cookie. I just thought it looked really pretty. And that's it. That's how you make the Adventurefuls Girl Scout cookie shake. Thanks for watching.